They say home cast slugs will never shoot as accurately as store-bought slugs. So I'm gonna group both today to prove every myth wrong. At least, I hope. That's because my professional reloader made quite a few of these, and so by golly, I'm hoping that they shoot very accurately. First up, the home cast slugs. Next up, store-bought slugs. Man, I love the Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol. Such a slick gun. Those store-bought slugs definitely had more recoil, but let's take a look at our accuracy. Of course, before we do, if you're interested in the best tactical deals, go to armory.deals and I'll send those deals directly to you. Here we have our final results. Right here we had the home cast slugs, and right here we had store-bought slugs, both shooting equally tight groups. That's pretty neat.